Before we begin today's video, I'd like to thank every viewer. Our channel is about to surpass 1,000 subscribers. To celebrate this important milestone and propel us towards our final goal, I'll be giving away some truly special fan perks today. If you frequently encounter issues like buffering, unloading poster walls, garbled program guides, or blank information when using IPTV Smarters Pro, please be sure to watch this video. Actually, this player itself is very powerful. The reason you're experiencing these problems is because you lack a truly stable underlying data source and a matching set of parameter settings. Now, take a look at what's on my screen. This is the IPTV Smarters Pro interface after deep optimization and configuration. You can see that all poster walls load instantly, and the complete program guide is clearly visible. More importantly, channel switching has almost millisecond-level response times with no annoying buffering. Whether you're watching live HD sports events or on-demand movies, the experience is incredibly smooth. How can you achieve such an ultimate playback experience? Most providers just coldly throw you a link, and when problems arise, you can't find anyone to help. But here, we have a professional technical team to support you. To reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, I've prepared a special perk for everyone. Simply click the subscribe button now to help me reach our 1,000 subscriber goal, and leave a comment saying 1,000. You can then contact us via the link in the video description or on our homepage. Just send us your comment and a screenshot of your subscription, and we'll send you a dedicated 24-hour VIP high-speed stability test account. More importantly, we won't leave you to figure it out yourself. Our technicians will provide one-on-one, step-by-step guidance on how to perfectly configure your device and this test account to the most suitable media player, eliminating lag. Free configuration slots are very limited each day. First come, first served. If you're tired of poor picture quality and unresponsive after-sales service, like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying 1,000 now, and let's turn your device into the most powerful home entertainment center together.